My name is M. Saikran. I am from ECB section. My topic is resolution of antenna. Introduction. Resolution. The most common resolution criteria states that the resolution capability of an antenna to distinguish between two sources is equal to of the first null beam width, which is usually used to approximate to the high power beam width. The that is two sources separated by angular distance equal or greater than first null beam width divided by 2 equal to half power beam width of an antenna with an uniform distribution can be resolved. If the separation is smaller, then the antenna will tend to smooth the angular separation distance. An antenna has field pattern given in the E of theta equal to cos 2 of theta. Theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Find the half power beam width in radians or degrees. This is an example of resolution of antenna. Resolution. The most common resolution criteria states resolution capability of an antenna is distinguished between two sources equal to the of the first null beam width, which is usually to appropriate to the high power beam width, that is two sources separated by angular distance. These are the pictures of the antenna resolutions. This is a straight common antenna. This is angular antennas. The basic communication parameters are discussed in this antenna resolution is about the wireless communication and the uses of antennas. This is the wireless communication is done with the form of waves with the help of antenna. Hence, we need to look at the properties of the waves and antennas in this communication. The communication transforms through antenna in the form of waves. These waves contain frequency, wavelength, impedance matching, reflected power, bandwidth, percentage bandwidth, radiation intensity. Thank you. We can discuss this example. An antenna has field pattern given by A of theta is equal to cos 2 of theta. Theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Then find the HPBW, which is meant by high power bandwidth beam width in radians. The normalized radiation intensity of an antenna is represented by U of theta is equal to cos 2 of 3 theta. Theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees and psi lies between 360 degrees. 0 to 360 degrees. Half power beam width, first null beam width, radiation pattern due to the Hertzian dipole, radiation pattern due to the Hertzian dipole, isotropic omnidirectional. The most common resolution criteria states that the resolution capability of an antenna distinguishes between the two sources equal of the first null beam width, which is used to approximate the half power beam width, that is two sources separated by angular distance equal to or greater than the first null beam width. The antenna, it is a metallic device which transforms and receives the information in the form of waves. It it it, it follows some method measurements, like it have continued, discontinued. Thank you. This is the resolution of antenna.